for today's episode is we are putting underglow on James's Z. Will he pay or not? Who knows?
Of course I'll pay.
Time check, it is 10:17. Z is done. Another black car. We're doing a Prelude. First in the country, I think. Actually, no. I think, ilang Prelude na ba lumabas? I don't know, but McCoy has his.
Madami na.
Yeah.
First with Underglow.
First with Underglow and many mods soon. I don't know. It's a black kind of day today. Cool thing is both cars fit my golf set really well. So we're playing golf with these. Yeah. Yeah. I want a Prelude now. Yeah. Let's see how it looks after the Underglow. Let's go. Time check. 1:04. We're done. Go for the B-roll, James. Prelude was fun to work with. Z was okay. That's all you have to get. That's all you guys have to know. Okay.